Me gusta el café literally translates to something like coffee is pleasing to me, not I like coffee. If that sounds backwards, it's because it is, and that's exactly why so many learners get this verb wrong, even at intermediate levels. Let's fix that completely today, with enough detail that you'll never second-guess this structure again. Hi, I'm Andres. Welcome back to our Spanish Grammar for Beginners A1, A2 course. This is Lesson 7. Gustar doesn't work like the English verb to like. Instead, think of it as meaning to be pleasing to. The structure is indirect object pronoun plus gusta, gustan, plus the thing being liked. In other words, the thing you like is actually the grammatical subject of the sentence, and you are the indirect object receiving the pleasing feeling. This is the exact opposite of how English organizes the sentence. Ne, to me. Te, to you. Ble, to him, her, you, formal. Nos, to us. Os, to you all, Spain. Les, to them, you all. So me gusta literally means it is pleasing to me, but we naturally translate it as I like it. This is the part most learners get wrong. Gustar agrees with the thing being liked, not with the person who likes it. Use gusta when the thing you like is singular or an infinitive verb. Me gusta el café, I like coffee. Me gusta bailar, I like to dance. Use gustan when the thing you like is plural. Me gustan los perros, I like dogs. Me gustan las películas de acción, I like action movies. Since le and les can refer to him, her, you, formal, or them, Spanish often adds a clarifying phrase with a to avoid confusion. A Juan le gusta el fútbol. Juan likes soccer. A ellos les gusta viajar. They like to travel. A mi hermana le gustan los gatos. My sister likes cats. Let's go through a full range of examples. Me gusta la música. I like music. No me gusta el ruido. I don't like noise. Notice no goes right before me. Te gustan los libros de misterio. You like mystery books. A Pedro le gusta cocinar. Pedro likes to cook. Nos gusta viajar en verano. We like to travel in summer. ¿Os gusta la comida española? Do you all like Spanish food? Spain? A ellas les gustan las fiestas. They, feminine, like parties. And here's some great news. Several other common verbs work exactly the same way as gustar. Me encanta el chocolate. I love chocolate. Le interesa el arte moderno. He, she is interested in modern art. Nos molesta el ruido. Noise bothers us. Te falta práctica. You lack practice. Literally, practice is lacking to you. The single biggest mistake English speakers make is conjugating gustar as if the person were the subject, saying something like, yo gusto el café, trying to mimic I like coffee word for word. In Spanish, that sentence doesn't mean what you think. Yo gusto would imply I am liked, attractive, which is a completely different meaning. Always remember, the thing being liked controls the verb form, not the person doing the liking. Gustar is one of the most useful and most distinctly Spanish structures in the entire language, so it's worth the extra attention we just gave it. Up next, how to say my, your, this, and that in Spanish. See you in Lesson 8.